Did you know that the colors you choose for your home can completely change how a space feels? From creating a cozy, warm atmosphere to making a room feel more open and lively, colors have power. In today's video, we're going to explore the best ways to use color in your home decor, including one amazing tip at the end that will make your home feel stylish and modern instantly. So stick around. Let's dive in. One of the safest and most effective ways to use color in your home is by starting with a neutral base and adding a main accent color. Neutrals like white, beige, gray, or soft earth tones create a clean and timeless backdrop. Once you have your base, you can introduce a main color to bring life into the space. For example, if you love blue, try incorporating it through your sofa, artwork, or even decorative pillows. This allows you to change things up easily without committing to a bold wall color. Plus, neutral walls and furniture make it easy to swap out accents when you want a fresh look. Now, if you want to take your decor a step further, try using complementary colors. These are colors that sit opposite each other on the color wheel, creating a dynamic contrast. Some great examples are blue and orange, yellow and purple, or green and red. But here's the trick. Don't use them in equal amounts. Instead, choose one dominant color and use the other as an accent. For instance, if you have a deep blue wall, adding orange throw pillows or artwork can create an eye-catching, balanced look without overwhelming the space. Some people love to experiment with multiple colors in one space, and that's totally fine when done right. The key is to follow the 60-30-10 rule. This means 60% of the room should be the dominant color, like the walls or large furniture pieces. 30% should be a secondary color, like rugs, curtains, or smaller furniture. And 10% should be an accent color, decorative pieces like pillows, vases, or artwork. This technique helps balance colors so that your room looks intentional and harmonious rather than chaotic. A great example? A living room with light gray walls, 60%, navy blue furniture, 30%, and gold accents, 10%. Simple, yet stunning. And black and white is a classic combination that never goes out of style. It works in modern, minimalist, and even traditional interiors. The contrast between these two shades creates a sophisticated and balanced space. To keep a black and white design from feeling too harsh, add different textures, like a soft rug, patterned wallpaper, or wooden accents, to bring warmth and depth to the room. Another great trick? Use metallic elements like gold or silver to add elegance and prevent the space from feeling too stark. Every year, Pantone releases its color of the year, and for 2025, it's Mocha Mousse. This warm, earthy brown is perfect for creating cozy and inviting spaces. It works beautifully on walls, furniture, and even decorative elements. Mocha Mousse pairs well with natural materials like wood, stone, and linen, making it a fantastic choice for modern, rustic, or boho interiors. It also complements neutral tones, deep blues, and soft greens, so it's easy to incorporate into any home. If you found these color tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps our channel grow. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let us know in the comments which color tip was your favorite. Or, what's your go-to color for home decor? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching today's video on how to use color in your home. Whether you prefer a simple neutral palette, bold complementary tones, or the timeless elegance of black and white, there's a perfect color scheme for every home. Stay creative, Have fun decorating, and we'll see you in the next video.